It's all about making things simpler and easier and still eat great and healthy. And if I can pamper myself with a fabulous salad, then so much the better. Blitz in a family-sized jar of fresh herbs and a mega dose of omega-3, aka walnuts. Not only do I save a ton of money and time, but also I know there's absolutely no processed artificial crap inside. Real food ingredients. Use any greens you have. Here I have basil, garlic, salt, add lemon juice for both liquid so the blender doesn't work too hard. Lemon juice also keeps the green color fresher and longer, and it gives a tangy bite to the pesto. Oil is optional. Blitz to a thick paste, taste and adjust. If it's too thick, add more liquid, either water or lemon juice, according to the taste. If it's too watery, simply add more herbs or walnuts, and it's done. Use it on anything. It's super freezer friendly. So big tip, make 2 batches and freeze, ready to go when you run out. And of course, they make fabulous foodie gifts. I mean, who wouldn't want to receive this green goddess beauty of a sauce? Plus, you know you're given a jar full of powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, omega-3, as well as magnesium, vitamin K, and iron. I rest my case. If you enjoyed any of my recipes, please hit the subscribe button. You have no idea how much it helps me. Click the like and see you next time. Happy cooking!